Hello बच्चों, let's see the question. And the question says that maximize z is equal to 3x plus 3y if possible. Subject to the constraints x minus y is less than or equal to 1, x plus y is greater than or equal to 3, and x comma y is greater than or equal. Okay, so key concept is optimal values. For optimal values are minimum or maximum value. Okay, minimum or max values. For the optimal values, we use method of LPP, linear programming problem. So basically this question belongs to linear programming problem. So here we have z is equal to 3x plus 3y. Okay, हमारे पास z क्या given है, that is 3x plus 3y. Okay, and our constraints are x minus y is less than equal to is greater than equal to 3, and x comma y is greater than equal to 0. So now we have to tell what is the maximum value. So for this we have to convert these inequalities into the equation. So we have x plus y is equal to 1. Okay, now we have to find the value of these three equations. So that will be, we have to draw the table for find the value of x and y. Okay, x and y. If x is equal to 0, y is 3. If y is equal to 0, x is 3. Similarly for next equation we have here our table. Okay, so our table says if x and y. If x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, x is minus 1. Now let's plot the graph. Okay, so this is the graph for L1 and L2 line, where L1 is x plus y is greater than or equal to 3, and second L2 line is x minus y is less than or equal to 1. Okay, now here is the L1 line. So L1 represent x plus y is greater than to 3. So here you can say that ये क्या होगा, origin से away होगा. Greater than 3 है ना, तो origin से दूर होगा, तो ये कौन सा रीजन आएगा इसमें, फर्स्ट लाइन. ओके, नाउ फॉर सेकेंड लाइन क्या है, सेकेंड लाइन x माइनस 1 इज लेस देन टू 1, तो ओरिजिन की तरफ जाएगा, लेस देन टू 1 है तो. सो आवर बाउंडेड रीजन विल बी, क्या होगा, दैट इज आवर बाउंडेड रीजन, द ओरिजिन. ओके, सो दैट इज द आवर कॉमन पार्ट. विच वन इज आवर कॉमन पार्ट? So this will be our common part. Our A, which is unbounded. कैसा है ये? Unbounded. So this given feasible reason is unbounded. So we have here feasible reason we have got here, or we can say common reason. Feasible reason is unbounded. So Z contain infinity maximum values. क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्या है, इन्फिनिटी को क्या कर रहा है, अनबाउंडेड मतलब जहाँ जिसका कोई बाउंडेशन ही नहीं है, तो मैक्सिमम वैल्यू कितनी हो सकती है इसकी. सो इट अटेंड कितना, infinity number of a maximum values. Okay, so that will be our solution. So I hope you all understood this explanation. Thank you and all the best.